In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional cover page in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a report, a resume, or any other formal document, a well-designed cover page can make a great first impression. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once it's open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the Pages group, you'll find an option called Cover Page. Click on this, and you'll see a variety of pre-designed cover page templates that you can choose from. These templates are ready to go and look great, so all you need to do is select one that fits the style of your document. Once you choose your template, it will automatically appear at the beginning of your document. The next step is to customize the cover page with your own information. You'll see placeholders where you can add your title, subtitle, company name, company address, and any other details you want to include. Simply click on the text box and type in your information. Another tip is to use Word's formatting tools to make the text look professional. You can adjust font size, style, and alignment to match the tone of your document. A clean, simple design with easy-to-read fonts often works best. Once your cover page looks the way you want, it's ready to go. Remember, if you decide later on that you want to change your cover page, you can always go back to the Insert tab and choose a different template or make edits as needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.